Welcome to the 2,628 square foot beautiful Brittany floor plan offered by First Texas Homes. As you enter this 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, you'll be amazed at the open floor plan and high soaring ceilings, large extended living areas, and a private study. If you're a kitchen lover, you'll love the large granite island, stainless steel appliances, and huge walk-in pantry. The oversized master bedroom suite with its own private sitting area has plenty of closet space, and the master bath will make you feel as if you have your own luxurious spa with separate rainmaker shower and deep, relaxing tub. The upstairs has 4 large bedrooms, and it's the perfect retreat for entertaining guests with a spacious game room. We can build you this floor plan in many of our First Texas Homes communities. Contact a First Texas Homes sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Brittany floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.